Hi guys, today I received this paw care kit for dogs and cats for reviewing purposes. I'm gonna test it with my little dog Junior in here. We got a 200 milliliters pet paw cleaner, a 40 grams pet paw balm, a pet cleaning cloth, and a portable bag. Okay, so let's take everything back. This is a paw cleaner. This is a paw balm. The cloth. And lastly, the carrying bag. Okay, it's really nice. So let's test it. I'm gonna open it. It's made from natural ingredients. It got deionized water and coconut oil extract. Okay. We're gonna use the balm. Let's go with another paw. It's really easy to use. It's really nice. It comes with everything you need, and really easy to use it. It's nice. I like that it comes with a travel bag, so you can have it with you whenever you go. And I would really recommend it. See ya!